Yeah, me I represent for that station here. A station named Jamaican Living Abroad. For any Jamaican live all over the world, no matter where you live, where you come from Jamaica. Big up Jamaican Living Abroad TV station. It goes up. You know what I mean? As a yard man, chill out on the corner. Monday evening after 5, little sun a shine. I'm there I go and beat back. It goes up. Big up Jamaican Living Abroad TV station again. It goes up. Roar. Yes, Jamaican Life Abroad TV. Back so one small patching idea, yeah. The peas on fire there. Peas on fire. Dutchy put on, I not going night yet. Seasoning them. Deal with me chikwa. You get me? Tomato from my one garden. Which is right. Yeah. And my one plant, I get them tomato there from, you know. I cook today. Wash the chicken them. Make them drain off liquor or season them. And I process seasoning them or show you where I go on. Yeah. See people. And like me I tell you so from my tree my tomato them come from. When I cook with today. So tomato palm tree they see and we ripe one. One heap of tomato the palm tree same way. Tomato. The farm looking good. See? Tomato are ripe all about. Now my farm, see there? Them me I use cook today. So me I tell you I say my tomato them me I use are from my tree. Which is right. Watch me as me go along. Me alone in my kitchen, you know, so I have to see with me, you know. Get me? I have to see with me. The salt. See there? I get all purpose. Alright people, see there? The finally season done. But me couldn't get for sure now when me I cut up the season them cause me tell you now, I'm alone in the kitchen. You know what I mean? No more team member no there. I just me alone so me season up there. See season them when me use yeah. Let you know me use scallion, carrot, see there, garlic, ginger, tomato, onion, black pepper, salt, seasoning salt, little pimento, sweet pepper. Some people call it bell pepper, sweet pepper. That's all me season me use. See my chicken they season up. See my oil. I wait for my pot for hot. Throw in my oil. So watch me as me go along. The dutchy they are hot. Peas are cooked on one scotch bonnet pepper in it. No season yet. So follow me as me go along. Jamaica Life Abroad TV out. In the kitchen today I do all small thing, you know. Run all small boat. Never cook no rice and peas yesterday Sunday, so I just box it with today. Which is right. Ah! See now boss. See the people with rice and peas pot season up. Scallion me thyme, bell pepper, and hot pepper in there. Get me? Seasoning go and cook, then we put in my butter and a little black pepper and tat him up, you know? And take it from there. Oil hot, chicken and marinade, in a pot long time. So rice are showing color, yeah. So you want to go in a pot. You know what I mean? Rice a hype up himself. Then you want to go mix up with peas. And peas are telling for bill. Can't not time yet. I want to man. Bill man. Rice bill. Peas say you for bill. Can't not time yet. Alright. The chicken that didn't start fry yet. You hype up yourself fry the rice. That's bill man. And make oil go on hot. Okay. Follow me along. I put in the first piece of chicken and make on see what I go on. And when the last piece take out me see what I go on. Alright. There. The video will come like I'll be a one short video, you know. But anyway we are do it. You have to do it. Yes people, I think the oil hot enough now, you know. You know, I start dropping my chicken, you know. Oh, it's the oil hot. That's why you want to find and I guess it make no sense. Yeah, put in a coal oil. I will hot. Follow me. Follow me through the process. Follow me through the process, you know. Out of mad. Jamaican Life Abroad TV in our kitchen around a little small thing. Yes, people. See, first set of chicken will come out you know. And rice and peas ready for go in a minute. And dash in the rice. Watch me as me go along. First set of chicken will come out of the pot. Blow them down. Proper brown, you know. Take out the first set. Dash in the next set. Quick and fast. Less than 10. You know, so one and thing like if I get to back to the season then properly, but that's so then I'm going to never get in the same pot. So one set come out, one set left. Now overfill the pot. Yeah, now look there. Watch me I come right down to perfection. Get rice washer now. I season everything already. Butter, black pepper, little bit of season, all purpose, that's in there. Chat him up. Like the rice and peas, pat no taste like soup, you know, and it makes sense you better cook it. Anyhow, when you taste the rice and peas, put water before you put in the rice and not taste like soup. Don't make sense to put in the rice. Abandon that straight away. And that can't drink like soup, abandon it. Which is right. Yeah. First set of chicken come out, second set in the pot. Watch the process as you go along. Yes, people. Rice ready for hype up himself. I hype up long time, so now me I deal with him case. And you know when me I go and say the wife, have a piece tell him say him already yet him still hype up and I go out with himself. You know what I mean? Rice look no fit through, you know. Oh, me time back on the bell pepper all time. That money can go and stay. Dash in my rice. They don't done it. Not them not quite. You know. Rice and peas. Right the side there. See there. You know what time of day it is. Done down them boy now, make him go on doing thing, you know? Which is right. Watch me as me go along. Yes, last set of onion, you know. What fire there. Look brown and pretty. So, yeah, see there. Last set left in our pot. Rice and peas, how him look. Let him stirring it. See him look there. Alright. Last set of chicken for fry. And then we do. You know? We do after. Outside in my frying pan, you know? Yeah. Rice and peas. Keep them a stirring it. One. There upon it, you know? Box we are bun there. Rice and peas, you know? And chikwa, what was Sunday dinner. We don't bother with it yesterday, we just go easy. Today me say again, deal with him case. Bright and early. You get me? Them fi know. Them not know. And who them man? What they know about shelly rice and peas? What they know about shelly rice and peas? See there? Rice and peas. And chikwa them a finish. Deal with them case, you know? Sita finishing touch. Last night that. Yeah. Just from out there now. Turn back everything in my pot. Turn back everything in my pot. I put one Irish in the pot of one Irish. In there. How him look, you know. Watching me I go down to the finishing touch. On the water. Yeah. Like you want to come out bitter water and I bring all this, you know? Yeah. In there. How him look. I cook down here now. Let him look there. Ketchup and butter. Rice and peas ready. Like Freddy. So the fire still on it, too high. Mm-hmm. Give me a now. The finishing touch me I get down to here now. Show now when him finish, you know. Alright, catch me next. Yes, people, see finishing touch there. Rice and peas, shelly done. Chicken ready. Just like that. See there? I'm vegetable to go with it. See there? I'll sample it, you know, until the Philistines them come. I crowd not there yet. I wait till the Philistine come down, you know. Ready till them come. Which is right. Short like a plate and show no I go on. Yes, people, see finishing touch there. I'll sample it, you know. Michael want this. Just a little sample. Meantime being, you know, when you're a chef, you don't cook all the belly full before you even eat. So I finish in touch that. See there? I look in my pot. Rice and peas, shelly, like a nobody's business. Shelly, rice and peas. Brown stew chicken, see there? Can't get it better than that. From start to finish. Can't get it better than that. See settings there. Mayonnaise view and mayonnaise. I have like a vegetable cut up, see there. Get me? Ready to go. It's all about Jamaican Life Abroad TV. Show them how we stay in our kitchen. Get me? That's how we deal with it. Them for know. Shelly rice and peas. Alongside brown stew, chicken. Everything finger licking. Yeah. I weigh that in the galley for the day. Shot. Go some man. I'll go and do what I can do with a little bit here, you know. Sample. Run in on it quick and fast. Them for know. Alright then. We there.
Thanks for watching Jamaica Life Abroad TV. Please like, share, and subscribe.